In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music on your Wix website. Adding music is a great way to set the mood on your site, whether you're showcasing a portfolio, promoting an event, or building a personal brand. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have an audio player live on your page, ready to play your chosen track. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account, and that you have your site open in the Wix editor, not just the live site. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. Find the plus icon, which is used to add elements to your page. Click on that plus sign to open the add menu. When the add menu opens, you'll see different categories of elements you can add, like text, images, galleries, and more. From this list, look for the option labeled Video and Music. Go ahead and click on Video and Music. This tells Wix that you want to add some kind of media player to your page, and it will filter the options for you. Within the video and music section, you'll see several choices, but for this tutorial we're focusing on audio only. Look for audio players and click on it. This will bring up different styles of audio players that you can use on your site. These might include minimal players, larger players with album art, or playlist style players. Take a moment to browse through the available audio player designs and pick one that fits the style of your website. Once you find a design you like, click on it to select it. Wix will then automatically place that audio player onto your page. You can drag it to the exact position where you want it to appear, and you can use the handles around it to resize the player if needed. After placing the player, follow the on-screen prompts that appear. Typically, Wix will ask you to choose your audio source. You might upload an MP3 from your computer, select a track from your site's media library, or depending on your setup, connect to other supported sources. Make sure that you have the rights to use any music you upload, especially if your site is public or commercial. Once you've added your track, use the settings panel to adjust options like autoplay, loop, and volume. Preview your site to test the player, and when you're happy with how everything sounds and looks, publish your site so visitors can enjoy the music.